Hey everyone, a bit about myself. I come from a chemical engineering background where I worked for a year, and during the pandemic, everything came to a halt, and I wasn't sure what I was going to do next. So I decided to upskill myself and learn some coding. That's when I came across GUVI's data science program, and the course was very well designed and well structured, and our instructors were really skilled and knowledgeable. Me being a beginner at coding, initially it was tough, but later on, after practicing on the CodeGetter platform, it started to become easier. For me personally, I love the machine learning classes the most. I think the credit for that goes to Mr. Kaushik sir. He was more of a friend to us than a teacher, and I think that really helped a lot. So a huge shout out to him. Uh, Apart from the courses and the platform, we provides a lot of opportunities like webinars where you get to interact with industry experts, connect with them, and get to know what happens in the real world. And GUVI also provides events like hackathons where you get to showcase your skills. And one such event that I participated was Datathon. It was a really cool event where you got to work with your fellow learners from other batches and interact and get support from our mentors of GUVI. Uh, One thing I can say for sure is that learning never stops at GUVI, and I think joining GUVI was one of the best decisions that I made, and I'm feeling really proud and lucky to be a part of that amazing team. So, thank you.